There is nothing wrong with our desire to transcend our present state. There would be no progress in this world were it not for man's dissatisfaction with himself. It is natural for us to seek a more beautiful personal life. It is right that we wish for greater understanding, greater health, greater security. The signs always follow. They never precede. The undisciplined man's attention is the servant of his vision rather than its master. It is captured by the pressing rather than the important. What we must work for is not the development of the will, but the education of the imagination and the steadying of attention. When will and imagination are in conflict, imagination invariably wins. From Be What You Wish.
So there you have a voice that's a lot closer to Neville Goddard's voice. It was trained using one of his clips. The tempo, I think the tempo's a little off. I'm going to work on that, see what I could do. So anyway, those are a few nice quotes from Be What You Wish. Go back and listen to it again because I wanna have a lot of these quote clips. I'll try to make them a little longer than this one. But I think it's useful to hear the smaller chunks of Neville. Of course, we have the giant lectures. A lot of other channels have giant lectures out there. I have a bunch of the huge lectures in my playlist and history, but I personally like to do clips, to focus on some of the clips because that's like the cream, right? So hopefully you enjoy it, and we'll look forward to the next one.